Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6263. This ran from the 2015 to the current shape. It has a Q14C 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a Q14C 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. The front headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, one dent in the corner. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen set stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,